Hey, so if you want to set up your own GatherTown space but don't know where to start, yeah, it might look a bit complicated at first, but honestly, it's pretty simple once you follow a few steps. Let's get you set up from scratch. First, go to the GatherTown website and create your account. You can sign up using your email or a Google account, whatever works for you. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Space. This is where you'll build your own virtual environment. Now you'll see different templates like office, classroom, or event space. Just pick one based on what you need. You can always change it later. After selecting a template, you can customize your space, add rooms, furniture, or decorations. So yeah, take a minute to make it your own. Next, choose who can join your space. You can keep it private with a link or make it public depending on your needs. Now copy your invite link and send it to your team or friends. They can join instantly, no complicated setup needed. Before going live, test your microphone and camera. Just enter your space and make sure everything is working smoothly. And that's it. You're ready. Walk around, interact with objects, and start hosting meetings or events inside your space. So yeah, that's how to set up GatherTown from scratch. Once it's ready, you can keep customizing and improving it anytime. If this helped, check out more simple guides like this. Like